Hi, it's Brian. If we've sent you a Word doc, odds are that you probably need to install the fonts that we used in order to have the Word doc look the same on your computer. So I'll send you a link to your font files like this, and all you got to do is just download them all. It might look a little different for you if you're not logged into your account, but I'm just going to download one of these. Go ahead and download them all. Actually, yeah, I can download them all this way. So I'm just going to click download. It's going to put it into a zip file. I'm going to open that file. And then from here, I'm just going to go ahead and install all of these. And all you do is just double click it and click install. And this is what it'll do. And then when you want to go ahead and install all the fonts that I've sent you. And then when you open your doc in Microsoft Word, the document should look the way it was intended to look. Thanks.